Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cut, trim timeline in DaVinci Resolve. So to do this it's pretty simple. So all you have to do is locate where you're trying to cut or even try to remove your audio from. So all you have to do is select this button right here. It's like the razor blade mode. So all you have to press is B, and then right there you can cut, and right here we can also cut wherever we want to. So if you want to return to normal mode, just press A or your selection mode. So right here you can adjust again. So let's say you want to cut, just press letter B, and then let's cut it into two, and there you go. Let's go back to our A. So there you go. You can also go back to your trim mode using letter T. So here you can trim and do other things. So let's just go back to A. So there are your shortcuts for DaVinci timeline right there. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.